So I go to mail.zoho.com to check my free email. Click sign in with my account. So now I'm in there, I wanna check my email, I'm good. But I actually have multiple emails and I wanna check those. Open up a new tab, go ahead and type in mail.zoho.com. Well, lo and behold, I'm back to the same email. Okay, so let me log out here. I log out. If I go back to my other tab, I'm signed out too. So now we got a problem. So how do I actually have multiple emails show up in different tabs? So I know in Gmail, you can have one tab with one email, another tab with another email. But with Zoho, a place where you can get free emails with your own domain name, you can't do that using the web. So there has to be a way to do it. On mobile phones, you can do it. And I just have a video before showing you how to do it. But how you do it on your computer? Well, you're in luck because there is an app for that. It's an app for that. And there's a desktop app for you to show you how to get multiple emails to show on your desktop using Zoho. If multiple emails use Zoho, then I'm gonna show you how to do it. To get started, let's go back here, and the internet is not really going to help you out in this situation, except to get the app. So I'm on Google Chrome, I'm going to go to google.com, and I'm going to type in Zoho desktop version. The very first link says download Zoho Mail desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux, and that's that. So if I click on that, on the hero image, which is the very first thing that you see, it shows download for Mac because this website recognized that I'm a Mac. Nice, right? So go ahead and click on download for Mac, and you have these two options, ARM or Intel. And you're like, what the heck does that mean? So to find that out, you want to go to another tab and do ARM versus Intel Mac. And it says the primary differences between Intel-based Macs and Apple's Silicon, aka ARM-based Macs, lies in the predecessor architecture. Okay, all you got to do now is on the top left, click on the Apple and then go to About This Mac. And right here, if you see Apple M1 Pro, that is the Apple Silicon-based Mac. If it says Intel, then you will actually see the word Intel. I know a lot of older Macs are Intel-based Macs, so that's what that is. So I'm gonna go back, okay? And so I'm trying to get the ARM version because it's an Apple Silicon chip. So I'm gonna download this. So since I'm using Google Chrome, on the top right, I'm going to see the download right there. And I'm gonna wait until this finishes and so I'll get back to you.
A few moments later.
And now it is done. So that took probably about 2 minutes. So once that is done, click on the thing that points to the top right. It says to open. And now this pops up. So let's install this. So go to continue, say all users, install. It's going to ask for your password. You know how the Macs be. All right, cool. So now that is good. Installation was successful. Close. So do you want to move the installer in the trash? I'm going to move it to the trash because I don't need it anymore. All right, so then now that that's there, I'm going to go to my applications. So let me go to Finder, Applications, and then I'm going to look for Zoho Mail Desktop. Perfect. So click that. So now this opens up. And one thing I like to do is if this icon is showing on maybe like this side over here, if it's showing towards the end, then just put it right there as a shortcut. All right, so now let me log in into my accounts that I have. Hit next, sign in my password. And look, I guess I'm back and everything works just as normal, but this time I'm using an app. But why is this so good? Because now if I want to check another email address on my computer, so what I would do is I would go to accounts, click there, and then add an account. So I'm clicking on add an account, and this is where the desktop version signs. Do another email that I have. Let me sign in. So now I have signed in into my other email that I have, one of the other emails of many emails that I have, but this is one of the accounts that I have that is also managed by Zoho. And all I gotta do now is if I want to switch back, go to account at the very top, and now I can switch back between two different accounts. And that is it. So same thing, I could go ahead, send an email if I want to, just like that. And everything works the way it's supposed to work. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead, click on the name and click on quit app. And that is that. So if you manage multiple emails using Zoho, definitely get the desktop app that's available. And I'll actually put the link of it in the description so you can easily access it. And that is that. Now, speaking of multiple users, I'm gonna show you exactly how to add multiple users on Zoho, because the free version, if you have the free version, allows up to 5 free users. So that could be like my name at domain.com or info@domain.com or another person's name at the same domain.com or whatever the case is. So if you want to see that and how I can do that, then go ahead and click this link right here. And when this video is there, it will show you how to do that. Make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Victor. See you in the next one.